Hello, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, today we will discuss history points of erectile dysfunction or impotency with a complaint of inability to maintain or attain an erection. So, history points are very important, especially in the post graduation levels of exam, and to take it in a very shorter time. Like you have sometimes in some exams, you have 3 minutes, or sometimes 4 minutes, 5 minutes, maximum 6 or 7 minutes you have to take the history. So it's very important to remember the history points, and it should be in your mind for a particular topic. So we will discuss here some important history points, how to take it, and what questions you have to ask for a particular problem. So today we will discuss about the patient with a complaint or inability to attain or maintain an erection. So always make your habit to start with open-ended question. In post-graduation level exam or any exam in the history, always ask from the patient with an open-ended, because whatever the material they have given for the to the simulated patient or any patient, they always give you some information. So always ask with the open-ended, or in your practice also always start with an open-ended question. Give some time to a patient to give some important points to you. So always ask, this should be your one line question with an open-ended. Can you tell me more about your problem? Can you give me more detail about your problem? Okay, so when they are giving you some information, then always ask about that problem. Do not move with other causes or something. Always start that when did it started, when did it happen, when you notice, since how long, what's the duration, was it gradual or sudden, do you have any problem in initiating or maintaining erection. So take a detailed history of that particular problem first, and then go with other points of for the causes or other any associated history. So then the third question, so with the erectile dysfunction, remember CMM, C with the consistency, do you have any problem in initiating or maintaining. Then second M, CMM, so have you noticed erection in morning. M is morning, so have you noticed erection in the morning is there or not. Then again, if you have to ask first that do you do masturbate. If he's saying yes, then